darkness is in every corner, and the electricity grid is replaced with rainbows. Nowhere is safe. This is why you need a desktop light.
I need a light. My current desktop setup is pretty bad and I don't see nothing, so I think it's time for a lamp build. So let's take the saxophone and start building, I guess.
Maybe this didn't happen.
So it all started with an idea when I found some old electrical wires. I thought to myself, why not just connect a few of them and have like an adjustable arm and maybe connect an LED. So I thought, what is light enough that can be supported by this, but also will look good and feel good. Fortunately, my parents have a bamboo planted that I planted when I was 10, so now it's pretty huge and I regularly cut some pieces from it. It's a very nice material and it's strong, grow fast, and also it's beautiful. This was a cheap LED strip from AliExpress. But it's pretty nice and it's a yellow light, yellowish light. And it's very strong. A bit too strong even, I think. I was wondering if I should use a hot glue because it's pretty messy and it's ugly. But in the end, it came out great. You don't see it, and it's holding all right. Sometimes you feel like you don't need something, like it's too much. You can do without it. And then suddenly you have it. And then you think to yourself, how can I was living without it? This kind of stuff happened to me too much. Yeah, but light is really necessary for a working desk, especially if you're building stuff and building small stuff, electronics, and it's really important. I don't know how I manage without it. Here I take a nail just to open up the wires because they're really tight, so I can put a screw inside. Those tiny stools for the desk, I don't know what you call them. I made them with some scrap wood and came out pretty nice. I colored it with some colors I have, and now I have much more space in my desk. This black circle-ish thing is like a touch sensor. I think it cost me like $5 in AliExpress, and it's pretty amazing. I made another one for my partner for her birthday, and I 3D printed some housing for a switch, and now both of us have one. Here, when I turned it on, I saw there was smoke, so something in my soldering was short-circuiting, so I fixed it, and now it's working okay. It was a bit scary to see some smoke coming out from it. So it came out very nice, and I hope you enjoyed. It was a pretty simple build, but very effective. I think it's a really special project. I didn't see any light fixture like that before. Yeah, see you next time.